0x8B050033 is an Xbox One update error you may encounter while trying to update your console. It usually happens when the Xbox servers are down or going through maintenance. Some users reported that this error comes with a message that says, "Update needed." This guide might help you a bit in addressing this problem. Let's diagnose what might cause this issue and what are the possible ways to fix this anomaly. Method 1. Restart your console. Most of the time, this error happens when Xbox servers undergo maintenance. Therefore, we suggest you restart your console and update it again after some time. In case the problems persist, please refer to the next methods. Method 2. Check the Xbox Live status. The most common cause of user-reported cases is a server issue that is above the control of the end users. In order to determine whether Xbox Live services are causing your inability to play your games, you can visit the Xbox Live status page. Here, you can then review the status of each service and make sure they are working correctly. If some services are listed as limited or unavailable, you can assume this is a widespread problem not specific to your console. Hence, to solve this problem, all you can do is wait until Microsoft fix it. In case all Xbox Live status services are up and running, you can try the next method to resolve the error code. Method 3. Sign out and sign back into your profile. This method requires you to sign out of your profile for 1 minute and then sign back in. Once that is done, the problem should be fixed automatically. However, some users have reported being able to resolve this issue by starting the game on a different profile and when the game loaded, switching back to their own profile and the problem has been resolved. Method 4. Update your console offline. Method 5. Uninstall and reinstall the game. Method 6. Power cycle your console. Press and hold down the Xbox button for 10 seconds. Unplug the power cord once the console gets turned off. Next, wait for about 30 seconds. Plug the console back in and turn it on. Once it restarts, check if the problem has been resolved. Method 7. Reset Xbox One to factory default settings. Several users reported that they were able to resolve this issue by resetting the Xbox console to factory default.